Just in my local Woolies and having a look at the Hot Wheels stock they have here. There's not much at all. Quite a bit of a Matchbox here. A couple of little crackers in there. What's this one here? Okay, that's a Mazda. Oh, what's this one here? 53 Buick. Very nice. But yeah, just having a look at some of the stuff they got in the pegs, but there's not much at all. It's virtually all gone. There's a nice little night burners kit here. So I've got my mask on, but it sounds like I'm muffled. There you go, that tells you what's in the back. A little Ford Escort in there. A little Dado wagon in there, that's a nice one. And a Porsche and a Porsche 934. Let's have another look. I like the Dados actually. I'd really like that. But at $12.50, yeah, I don't know. I'm going to put that one back. Not going to stay up there. Let's have a look at this. We got a motor show kit. Got some weird looking things there. Down the back you've got, not really into that. And that one there, not really into. Surfboard, motorbike. That's not a bad little kit, this motor show. Looks like you've got a Lambo in there. What's that one there? On the back it's telling us, yeah, okay. Probably for this pack I don't need to get it for the Lamborghini, so I might bail on that. X-Racers, not really into that. Some more X-Racers. The usual stuff. What's down the back? Oh, what's that up the top, actually? What the hell is that? Oh, it's a Ford Mustang. Okay, wow. I don't mind the paint job on that. I'd probably, for that pack, I'd probably get it just for that Ford Mustang. That's what that is. What else we got? And that's it. Slim pickings. Then you come over to here, the Real Riders. Volkswagen. Some other stuff there. What's this one here? The Mercedes-Benz. $9. Wow. Yeah, so there's not much. Every now and then if you look down the back here you might find some stuff. The kids tend to put stuff everywhere. Sometimes I've come in here and found a couple of really nice little collection of cars. But no, sadly that is it. Let me think. What am I going to do? No, I'm going to bail. I'm not going to grab that pack. It's just not worth it just for the two cars, $12. Look, I'll think about it. Alright, catch you later.